Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of B. Sound. B is the second letter of the alphabet. It makes the B sound, just like in banana. Keep your lips together and say B with a soft burst of air. Word recognition. B for banana, a sweet and healthy fruit. B for ball, a round object used for playing. B for butterfly, a beautiful, colorful insect. B for bear, a big, strong animal that loves honey. Can you think of more words that start with B? Writing practice. Let's trace and write B and B. Follow the dotted lines carefully and practice both uppercase B and lowercase b. Say B every time you write it. Activity, beginning sound recognition. Look at the pictures below and write the first letter. Bat. Write B. Balloon. Write B. Bicycle, write B. Great job. You're learning fast. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with B. Bat, a wooden stick used in cricket. Balloon, a colorful air-filled object. Bicycle, a two-wheeled ride. Boat, a floating vehicle used in water. Bus, a large vehicle for passengers. Basket, a container to carry things. Beach, a sandy area near the sea. Wow, you did an amazing job learning about the letter B. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know all the letters. Next time, we'll explore another exciting letter. See you soon.